enterprise AI is at a breaking point. Over 70% of AI initiatives fail to scale beyond pilot. Millions are being spent, with little to show in operational impact. Not because the technology doesn't work, but because the approach doesn't. AI has been deployed top-down. The C-suite defines the vision. It manages the systems. But the people who actually do the work, they're not part of the solution design. The future of AI isn't top-down. It's employee-driven, governed by IT, and aligned to the business. At Upskill USA, we don't replace your workforce. We upgrade it. Start with a free audit. Let your employees take the assessment. Then map every role to 3 outcomes. Automate, augment, author. Because the companies moving fastest aren't removing humans, they're amplifying them. Employees enter the emulation station, where they break down their work, identify inefficiencies, and build AI-powered workflows tailored to what they actually do. Every action is structured, every output is measurable, and it maintains full governance and control. This isn't a future state conversation. Your employees are already solving problems every day. Without AI, the question is, how much longer can you afford that? Upskill your people. Unlock what already exists inside your organization. And turn AI from experimentation into execution.